Welcome everybody to the Caribbean. I'm a man, I love to cook. This is my kitchen, this is my restaurant, and I always try to give the people the best. So today you will see the way I cook the barracuda. That's a fresh fish from the ocean, from the Caribbean. This fish is catches in the day, really fresh, really delicious. Then I have Carlos, my second chef. He preparing the patacones. For all my good friends, we have some nice dinner tonight. I'm happy, I love this, something what I love. I love to cook, man. Anything you do with your heart, it has to be good. The cooking is great when you cook with your heart. I mean to say, it's not you when you cook with your heart, you cook with your hands, you know, but everything comes by the heart.